day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. But as always, just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's get started with today's video here with the crude oil markets. Crude oil currently trading at around $82.50 a barrel. The swing highs were at just roughly $85 a barrel, just shy actually of around 15 cents. And then the swing lows of the trading session were down at around $80 a barrel. So a nice bit of volatility during today's trading session. Just looking at the RSI is currently trading at around 45. And that tells us that we're pretty much mid-range with regards to being overbought or oversold. And that makes sense because look at this downtrend or this downward sloping wedge that we've been trading in for some time. You know, we're kind of in the middle. And, you know, at this moment in time, I'm not really interested in participating in this market because it could go either way, as the RSI suggests. Where we could easily see a move up towards a 50-day EMA, which currently sits up at around $88 a barrel. And then vice versa, we could easily move down towards $75 a barrel. So, you know, we're kind of mid-range, and you know, as I mentioned, my risk management just doesn't support this type of investing. I'd much rather be more interested, you know, investing down at the lows or, you know, selling up at the highs. So I think one other thing to kind of concentrate with regards to this chart at this moment in time is the death cross that we formed a few weeks ago here in the crude oil markets, where we've had that 50-day EMA piercing below the 200-day EMA. And also I just want to point out that we do have a downward sloping 50-day EMA and a downward sloping 200-day EMA. So technically this chart doesn't look super bullish at this moment in time, and it, you know, personally, my personal bias is probably that we do head a little bit lower and, you know, maybe go and revisit the lows of this wedge down at $75 a barrel. So at this moment in time, I don't want to participate, but if I had to choose or had to have a bias with regards to the crude oil markets, then I think that, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we did drift lower in the coming days. But on the flip side, I wouldn't be surprised either if we went up to the 50-day EMA, as we still do have room to run in this wedge.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.